I decided to show you the inside of the cockpit using a torch, because why not? Give the effort to do the inside of the cockpit interior. Probably won't be seen very well with the cockpit canopy on. As you can see, I've tried to have as much detail as possible. Using this camera, it's a bit shaky, but you can see some of the detail in there. In 172 is quite feet. Talking of feet, the one of the footwell parts have fallen off. I can't get in there to replace it, even if I could find the part, but that'll have to be painted black and forgotten about, because nobody will know it's there. And if I shine it this angle, there's a glass effect on the behind the pilot, but that's not glass, that's dried white glue which dries clear. So they actually don't provide a part for this that section. They say do it yourself, figure it out, which is quite one of the charms of this MPM kit. But yeah, that's what you can get to in detail with the kit, and nobody will probably ever see it. I've done the usual thing with using tape to simulate harnesses, and that scale, that's the best you can do, I think. Anyway, that's how it is.